Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to clear iPhone cache. Let's get started. First, you can clear cache on iPhone in different ways, since iOS doesn't have a clear cache button, and here are the main methods. You can go to the settings and scroll down and then here tap the Safari. Then here, tap clear history and website data. And confirm by tapping clear history and data. This is how to clear the Safari cache. And next, you can clear app cache. Some apps have built-in options to clear the cache in their settings. If an app doesn't offer that, you can go to the settings and then here click the general and click the iPhone storage and select the app and tap offload app, and this removes the app data but keeps documents or settings, or you can delete the app and reinstall it again for full reset. Also, simply restarting can clear temporary cache files used by iOS and apps. And you can go to the settings and here again click the general and go to iPhone storage and see suggestions like removing the unused apps, large files, or old messages. The iPhone manage cache automatically pretty well, but if your device feels slow, clearing Safari data and offloading unused apps usually helps most. And that's it. That's how you clear cache on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!